So, the latest MacBook Pro M1 series is actually coming up with pretty powerful features and specifications, but the one con is there which we all are actually concerned about, and that basically is the number of the input ports which Apple is actually providing. It's a kind of a concern that we were actually expecting at least 4 number of ports instead of just 2, because it sometimes get literally a kind of a trouble thing to actually use those 2 ports completely satisfying our day-to-day workflow. So here we are having a very amazing USB port hub from the Anker, which is far more better as compared to the other hubs that are actually available in the market. Now, the reason behind that, I have been using a couple of hubs out there and I actually found out that either they don't work with the multi-display feature or either they are not having that Thunderbolt kind of technology. But today we are having the Anker 7-in-2 hub. Now, basically this is actually a pretty powerful, pretty compact, as you are able to see over here, and basically it actually does comes up with 7 inputs and the 2 dual inputs of the USB-C which directly goes inside the MacBook Pro. Now this hub basically comes up with the Thunderbolt 3, which makes it pretty perfect for all the super fast 40 Gbps support speed and making it pretty compatible even while using with dual displays. Now you can pretty easily connect a 5K 60 Hz monitor with the help of this Thunderbolt port, which even allows you for a power delivery option of up to 100 watts. Apart from this, it also comes up with an HDMI port, which actually makes it possible to connect another second screen which we are talking about, and basically it can even run at 4K 30 Hz, which is pretty fine considering this small compact hub, which actually is even providing other 2 USB type A kind of ports, which is pretty compatible if you're looking to connect your external storage devices like this Samsung T5 SSD. It is pretty easily and pretty fastly convenient with this MacBook Pro now, and there is no consideration of just keep changing those cables in order to connect it with the USB type C or just the USB type A, because simply just by connecting into this hub, it is actually connected to the MacBook Pro, and basically it is pretty damn fast. This SSD actually supports up to 500 gigs and we are getting a pretty decent speed with this hub as well. We get 2 ports of this inside this thing. Apart from this hub actually is coming up with the dual USB type C ports. One is the Thunderbolt one, about which we have already discussed, and another USB-C port which actually does provides us an option to connect another USB-C device as well. And lastly but not the least, especially very important option, the microSD card support for the cameras. Direct input is available in this hub. You can either connect the smaller microSD card or the camera size microSD card with this hub, which makes it pretty perfect for all our workflows, all our productive and the production workflows as well. And it is really compact. Pretty much its color also matches perfectly with the MacBook Pro. The latest M1 MacBook Pros and the previous gens are also pretty much easily supporting this device. So this hub is actually making us a very convenient option for expanding our MacBook Pro, M1 or any other MacBook devices ports very easily, very conveniently, very compactly, and pretty lightweight as well. So if you are looking to get a nice hub that can provide you dual display feature, Thunderbolt technology, as well as a USB type C for connecting your other essential devices, and hence if you like this video, then please give this video a thumbs up. Once again guys, this is Milind from Enoylity Technology. I will catch you guys in the next one. For now, peace out.